Hello, good morning students. Today we will solve this problem of common size statement. See the problem. Tanushri Limited is in the business of manufacturing cosmetics. Encouraged by the spurt in profits, the company decided to spend 20% of its profits to organize cleanliness drive in a nearby village. Following particulars are obtained from the company's book. Details are given. Revenue from operations 40 lakhs and 25 lakhs. Purchase of stock in trade 33 lakhs 60,000 and 18 lakhs 50,000. Changes in inventories negative 2 lakhs and 1 lakh 50,000. Other expenses 1 lakh 20,000 and 1 lakh. Other incomes 1 lakh 60,000 and 50,000. They told us to prepare a common size statement of profit and loss and identify the value highlighted. Here the value highlighted is the concern for health of the society. So they have decided to conduct cleanliness drive in the village. Okay. Now let's prepare the common size statement of profit and loss of Tanushri Limited. Let's start. So here now we will prepare common size statement of profit and loss of Tanushri Limited for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017. From the given information, let's write the part of particulars first. Revenue from operations are given. Other income is also given. So revenue from operations and other income total will be total revenue. Then expenses. In expenses, purchase of stock in trade, changes in inventories and other expenses are given. So total will be total expenses, and then we will deduct total expenses from total revenue and we will get profit before tax. Again in this problem, tax rate is not given. So no need of deducting any tax from profit before tax. Okay. So let's write first revenue from operations, then second is other income, add other income. So the third will be total revenue. To calculate total revenue, we have to add other income amounts in revenue from operations amount. Okay. Now fourth, less expenses, okay, purchase of stock in trade, purchase of stock is sufficient, then changes in inventories and then other expenses. So fifth point will be total expenses, or we can skip giving point to total expenses, we can direct write it. So it is total expenses. Okay. And after deducting total expenses from total revenue, we will get profit before tax. Okay. Just like comparative statement, after this we can, if tax rate is given, we will deduct less tax from this, and tax will be calculated on figures of profit before tax in given percentage, and then we will deduct tax and then we will get profit after tax. Okay. But in this problem also tax rate is not given. So this is the end of our statement. Now let's fill the amounts from 16 and 17. As usual, amounts here are given in the order of 17 and 16. So 16 amounts should be written here and 17 amounts should be written here. Okay. So revenue from operations for 16 it is 25 lakhs, and for 17 it is 40 lakhs. Now other income is 50,000 and 1,60,000. It is increased. Now total revenue, two lakhs, 25 lakhs plus 50,000 means 25 lakhs 50,000. 40 lakhs plus 1,60,000 means 41 lakhs 60,000. Okay. Now less expenses. Purchase of stock 18 lakhs 50,000 and 33 lakhs 60,000. Now here changes in inventories 1,50,000 and in the year 2017 it is negative 2 lakhs. So in bracket 2 lakhs. 1,50,000 positive and negative 2 lakhs. Then other expenses 1 lakh and 1,20,000. Now total expenses, total of all these items, this is 21 lakhs. 33 lakhs plus 60,000, 33 lakhs 60,000 plus 1,20,000. So it is 34 lakhs 80,000 minus 2 lakhs. So it is 32 lakhs 80,000. Amount is negative, so we will add two positive items and minus negative items. So 32 lakhs 80,000. Now let's deduct total expenses 21 lakhs from 25 lakhs 50,000. So profit before tax is 4 lakhs 50,000 and 41 lakhs 60,000 minus 32 lakhs 80,000. So it is 8 lakhs 80,000. Okay, and now let's calculate the percentage here. I will calculate working notes here. In exam you can calculate these workings, that is calculation of percentage on rough paper. Working notes plus first is revenue from operations. In last problem आपण अशा पद्धतीने हॉरिझॉन्टली सोडवलं होतं 2016-17. आता मी व्हर्टिकली सोडून दाखवते. तुम्हाला जसं सोडवायचं असेल तसं सोडवायचं आहे. तसंही या वर्किंग नोट्स तुम्हाला रफ पेजवर सोडवायचे आहेत. सो फॉर 2016 रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स 25 lakhs divided by 25 lakhs into 100. So it will be 100% as usual, and here also it will be 100%. Now other income 100% and 100%. Okay, now second is other income for 2016 50,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100. These 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. Then this 1 0 will be cancelled with this. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So it is 2%. Now in case of 17, 1,60,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. These 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros, and these 4 zeros with these 4 zeros. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 into 1 is equal to 4%. So 2% and 4% here. Okay. So total revenue percentage will be addition of these two percentage, that is 102 and 104, so I am not calculating them again. Now purchases, changes in inventories and other expenses. Eighteen lakhs 50,000 and 33 lakhs 60,000. 18 lakhs 50,000 and 33 lakhs 60,000. Divided by 25 lakhs into 100. So these 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. Then this 1 zero will be cancelled with this 1 zero. 185 into 10 means 1850 divided by 25. So it will be 74%. And in case of 2017, 33 lakh 60,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. These 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. These two zeros will be this with these 2 zeros. 336 into 1, 336 divided by 4. So it is 84%. 74 and 84. 74 and 84. Now changes in inventories, 1,50,000 and 2 lakhs negative. One lakh 50,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100. 4 zeros, 4 zeros, 1 0, 1 0. 15 plus 15 into 10, 150 divided by 25. So it is 6%. 2017 minus 2 lakhs divided by 40 lakhs into 100. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, minus 1 into 10, this is minus 10 divided by 2, so it is negative 5. Okay, now next 7 6 and negative 5, let's write here 6 and negative 5, that is in bracket 5. Now 1 lakh and 1,20,000 other expenses. 2016 amount is 1 lakh, so 1 lakh divided by 25 lakhs into 100. These 5 zeros will cancel with these 5 zeros. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, so it is 4%. Now for 2017 it is 1,20,000, so 1,20,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. Okay, 4 zeros will cancel with these 4 zeros, these 2 zeros will be cancelled with these 2 zeros. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12, so it is 3%. Understood? 4 and 3, so here 4 and 3%. Now we can add this 74 plus 6 plus 4, it is 84%. It will be 84%. 84 plus 3 means 87, minus 5 means 82%. Okay, and now profit before tax, percentage of profit before tax. 2016 amount is 4,50,000 and 8,80,000. So 4,50,000 divided by 25 lakhs into 100. 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. This 0 will be cancelled with this. 45 into 10, it is 450 divided by 25. So the answer is 18%. Now 2017 amount is 8,80,000. So 8,80,000 divided by 40 lakhs into 100. So 88 divided by 4. So it will be 22. 18 and 22. 18 and 22. Okay. So in this way we have to prepare common size profit and loss statement, and in this way you can calculate the percentage. So if there is any doubt in solving this problem, you can solve this problem in your notebook and practice these types of problems regularly. That's all.